After living in different parts of the world all her life, Connie Taylor was looking for her forever home. She wanted a nice home with her dog, Skylar. After moving into a new home on DeForest Street with a great view of the Shenango River, things looked good. The problem was the impact of the virus on the growth of her 1-year-old golden retriever.
Unfortunately, because of COVID, he's never been properly socialized. So he's, got that puppy energy, but he doesn't know what he wants to do with it. He's never been around people.
On November 17th, Taylor brought Skylar out and the dog wanted to go faster than his owner could allow. He pulled the leash so hard that Taylor fell. She broke her ankle and went to the hospital. There she heard the worst news.
The doctor came in after I had x-rays of my leg, and he said that because of the swelling potential and the fact that they don't like to have open wounds inside casts, they were going to have to wait possibly up to a week in order to have surgery.
Taylor was terrified, but her fear wasn't for herself. She was worried about her dog. She wondered who would take care of him. Fortunately, a little help was right there.
I knew she needed to take care of herself. There was no way she could have gone home. She needed the surgery, needed to get that taken care of as soon as possible. And I didn't want her to have to worry about her dog at home when she needed to get that done.
Tesha Reed is a registered nurse at Wilson Medical Center in Johnson City. She has a dog herself and says she knew the dog needed to be cared for. She knew with a nice house and lots of land, Skylar would have ample room for some exercise and quality attention.
I remember I went into her room and I said, "Connie, I can take your dog." And she sigh of relief, she said, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" And I said, "Absolutely." So that's when we exchanged contact information, and then we worked out the little kinks, and I came to pick him up that night after I got out of work.
Fortunately, the charismatic pooch got used to his new surroundings quickly, which gave Taylor time to settle in.
She was fabulous. She had known me for less than 5 minutes, and she was coming to my rescue like a gift from God.
Taylor's daughter Jasmine drove from Seattle to Binghamton to assist in the care of her mother, bringing her dogs along and giving Connie someone to lean on. Connie's still healing, but with Tesha and Jasmine helping her out, what could have been a painful period has been soothed significantly. In Binghamton, James Atherlay, News Channel 34.